Cooperatives can contribute a lot in development of a country. Amit Shah addresses first cooperative conference. The news in detail. Home Minister Amit Shah on Saturday addressed the first mega conference on cooperatives in the national capital, where he outlined the government's vision and roadmap for the development of the sector. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Sahakar Se Samriddhi, the Minister for Cooperation will address more than 2,000 cooperative members at the event. The program was telecasted live from 11 a.m. towards the official social media platforms of Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative, National Cooperative Federation of India, Amul, Sahagar Bharati, National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, Krishak Bharati Cooperative and other mediums. Amit Shah in the conference said that the cooperative movement is more relevant today and they can contribute a lot to the development of the country. We will have to think afresh, outline afresh, expand the scope of work and bring transparency. According to him, the cooperatives will play a crucial part in making India a $5 trillion economy. He added that the centre will soon come out with a new cooperative policy and work in tandem with states to strengthen the cooperative movement. Cooperation can make a very important contribution to the country's development, Amit Shah said in his address. He said that the government will start a new cooperative policy while celebrating Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. Today, about 91% of the villages in the country are having small or big cooperative institutions work. The core mantra of the Ministry of Cooperation is to strengthen the cooperative movement in the country, provide a separate administrative, legal and policy framework and streamline the processes to enable the development of multi-state cooperative societies, said an official press statement. We will work with all states to take forward the cooperative movement, he added. The Ministry of Cooperation has been formed to strengthen and modernize the sector. On the proposed new cooperative policy, Shah said a policy was brought in 2002 by the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and now the Modi government will start working on a new policy. Referring to the problems being faced by the cooperatives on taxation and other issues, Shah said he was aware of the concerns and assured that there would be no injustice towards them. Meanwhile, Devendra Kumar Singh, Secretary Ministry of Cooperation, said that the government will focus on digitalization and modernization of about 98,000 primary agricultural cooperatives to ensure digital lending. According to an official statement, the ministry aims to strengthen the cooperative movement in India, provide a separate administrative, legal and policy framework and streamline the processes to enable the development of multi-state cooperative societies. News Desk, Karma News.